Hi, I'm Rosina and I am a crochet designer. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do the foundation treble. The Knitcraft Mixtape Medley CAL is an 8-week crochet along to help you explore new stitches, try new colour combinations and have fun along the way. The blanket is great for a beginner who wants to build on their skills or for a more advanced crocheter who loves exploring new stitches and colour combinations. If you enjoyed these videos, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified of future videos. To start your blanket, make a slip knot. With the slip knot on your hook, chain 4. Yarn over. Insert the hook into the 4th chain from the hook. Yarn over and pull through. Yarn over and pull through the first loop on the hook to create a chain which you'll work into for the next stitch. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Yarn over and pull through the last 2 loops to finish the stitch. Yarn over and insert the hook into the additional chain made and the loop behind it. Yarn over and pull through both loops. Yarn over and pull through 1 loop. Yarn over and pull through 2. Yarn over and pull through 2. When working a foundation treble, it kind of looks like you're working upside down. For more techniques and inspiration, head over to hobbycraft.co.uk/ideas.